generate the website. Now, in order to replicate that same design, there is a prompt, and I'll leave it in the video description. And here is the Evernote, and it's really simple. Clone the screenshots to a website. Here, I'll go ahead and copy this prompt, and I'll head back over to Claude, and I will paste this in. Now, if you are using Claude Design, I recommend to not have the design system on. This can definitely influence the design. So the first thing I want to do is just go ahead and upload that file. So here, I'll click on the attach. I'll upload the screenshot. So here is the screenshots, and I'll go ahead and give you a quick look. So here's the screenshots. I'll go ahead and upload this. Okay, then we'll also upload the images based off this original design, because half the time it does need the images. If you ever use Claude or something, you know, it just gives you like placeholders, or it doesn't give you like the proper images. So now I'll go ahead and upload those images. Here they are, the Obsidian website images. I'll just drag and drop it. And then I also want to add a little bit more to this. I'll go ahead and update this in the Evernote. I attach the images in high quality in a zip folder. Place the images where they should be based off the screenshot I gave you. Next, I'll just make sure Fable 5 is selected. I am running low on credits, so I am almost being rate limited, but let's go ahead and run this prompt. And now it's finished. What's really cool is we can turn on and off this wheel spin. That's really cool. Now we scroll down. Here's the actual website. Looks fantastic, and it's identical to the original